Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or make a new Netflix account using the app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So in order to do so, make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. You can do that by going to your Play or App Store, searching for Netflix, make sure it's updated. Now from there, go ahead and open up a Netflix. Now, in my case, it will say sign in Netflix with your saved password. So I've already created an account in the past, so I'm not going to click onto that. So once you've first downloaded Netflix and it's on your phone, you want to click on the Get Started button right down below, ready to watch Netflix. So enter your email to create or sign into your account. So put in your email address here, like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started. And now we need to put in a strong password. So put in a password. You can also check the box here where it says, please do not email me Netflix special offers. So I'm going to click that. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on create account. And then it will say here, get a text or check email to learn more. So almost there, we can send a link to your phone number, or you can check out the email we just sent to my email address. You're only a few steps away from watching your favorite TV shows and Netflix. So I'm going to click on check email instead.